Hello guys, I'm Shekhar and you're watching TechInc. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use your screen as a front-facing flash in any app that uses your camera. Even Snapchat, Instagram and WhatsApp too. So let's not waste any further time and let's get straight into the video. So we'll first do the installation and then we'll jump over to the overall setup. So the installation is pretty simple and through an APK file called Selfie Flash Camera. You just need to download the same. I have already downloaded it and I will also leave the link for the same in the description down below. Once you download the same, you just need to click on it and install the same. Now once it gets installed, open it up real quick. Now once that's done, click on this arrow, allow all the permission that app requires, mainly allow the display over other apps permission and then move further. At this point you are almost ready to use the new feature from the app's main menu. Just enable the switch at the top of your screen and then press allow on the all permission request pop-ups and you are ready to go. Now let's test it out. From now on, whenever you are using a selfie camera in any app, a small circle will appear on your screen. If you need to brighten up your selfie, you just need to tap on the small circle and then it will expand into a big donut like a ring light. This larger circle provides more than enough light to illuminate your selfies. The larger circle will minimize again into few seconds according to your settings. So you need to take the selfie quickly. You will also notice that the smaller circle button doesn't appear when you are using the rear camera because this app knows the difference between the front and the rear camera. So this app is pretty useful for the devices without the front flash and also takes good photographs and selfies even in the low lights. Here are the results of some of my taken selfies and photographs. You can easily spot the difference between them. So this was all for the today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos because I keep making videos like this. So for all of that and more, I will see you in the next video.